Hi, welcome to NetGain's Tech Tip videos. Today, we will be sharing some everyday use computer tips. Have you ever been looking for a specific word on a page? Try hitting Control F, type in the word you're looking for, and this feature will highlight that word wherever it's found on the page. Another everyday computer tip is if you ever need to hide or display your desktop, hit Windows D. Our last computer tip for the day is how to switch between all of your open applications. Click Alt-Tab to see all of your open applications. If you hold down on Alt while clicking Tab, you can select which application you would like to open. Thanks for watching. See you next time.